Hello, guys. I hope you're doing well, and I welcome you all to the Indian Act segment of Lakshved IS Academy. And today we are going to talk about a secret superpower that every child in this country has, and that power is right to education, which is given to us under the Right to Education Act of 2009. You need to remember this, okay? This will be asked in the MCQ thing. तो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन योर माइंड शुड अराइज इज कि ये एक्ट बनाने की हमें ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी. एंड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस फर्स्ट. कि आप इमेजिन कीजिए कि आज मैं आप सबको बोल दूंगी कि कल से आप स्कूल नहीं जा सकते. एंड यू विल बी लाइक, मैम व्हाट इज दिस, हाउ कैन यू से दैट टू अस, राइट? तो many students, many children in our country cannot afford going to school because their family conditions are not that great. हमारे इंडिया में बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो अभी भी स्कूल नहीं जा पाते बिकॉज उनकी फैमिली कंडीशंस उतने अच्छे नहीं हैं कि उनको वो स्कूल भेज पाए. ओके, तो इमेजिन, आपको ये मैंने सवाल पूछा तो आपको इतना बुरा लगा होगा, लेकिन इमेजिन कि वो बच्चों को कैसा लगता होगा. सो दैट इज वाई वी नीडेड दिस एक्ट, द एक्ट ऑफ राइट टू एजुकेशन. ओके, this act gives all the children the right to go to school first, then the education should be free for all, and education should be compulsory to all. Now we need to understand the difference between free education and compulsory education. If you guys know this, please let me know in the comments below. Okay, let's move on to another slide. Are you in this squad? Like, are you eligible for becoming a student under right to education? This is a child of age 6. जब आप 6 साल के होते हो, आप क्लास फर्स्ट में होते हो ऑफ कोर्स. देन व्हेन यू ग्रो अप एंड अप टिल द एज ऑफ 14 यू गो टू क्लास 8. तो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि आप में से बहुत सारे बच्चे यहाँ बिलोंग करते होंगे या फिर यहाँ बिलोंग करते होंगे, राइट? बिकॉज सम ऑफ यू मस्ट बी इन 7th. That means your age is 13 or 12 or 13, right? आप कुछ बच्चे यहाँ पे होंगे और कुछ बच्चे यहाँ पे होंगे और कुछ बच्चे इससे ज़्यादा भी होंगे, ऑफ कोर्स 9th and 10th वाले. बट राइट टू एजुकेशन इन इंडिया इज गिवन टू स्टूडेंट्स up till the age of class 8. That is the up till the age of 14 years. Okay, so now we need to understand what is compulsory education and what is free education. As I told you in previous slide, we need to first understand this. What is free education? No child in our country will be forced to pay a tuition fee. If he cannot afford it, he has no need to pay it. No child is ever denied education because of financial problems. Okay, आपको कुछ भी फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम अगर होता है, आपको आपका एजुकेशन डिनाई नहीं किया जा सकता बिकॉज आपको आपका कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ये राइट देता है कि राइट टू एजुकेशन इज योर फंडामेंटल राइट. आफ्टर दैट, now we understood what is free education. Now we need to understand what is compulsory education. So it is the responsibility, we need to understand that it is the responsibility of the government to make sure that every child goes to school. Every child gets to go to school. यहाँ पे कंपल्शन किया गया है, यहाँ पे फ्री था, यहाँ पे कंपल्सरी है. फ्रीडम इसमें मिलता है कि आपको कोई फीस भरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट द गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर ये कंपल्शन है कि एवरी चाइल्ड नीड्स टू गो टू स्कूल. ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू अनदर स्लाइड. And now, what rights do you have in this? What right you have as a child in our country regarding the education? Study in school. You have the right to study in school with all your friends. Okay. Then learn from qualified teachers. All your teachers should be qualified to teach you, should be very humble towards you, right? After that comes study in a safe environment. आपके साथ रैगिंग, बुलिंग, ये चीज़ें नहीं होनी चाहिए. अगर किसी के साथ होता है तो यू कैन गो टू योर टीचर्स, यू कैन गो टू योर पेरेंट्स एंड दैट विल स्टॉप इमीडिएटली. ओके, दैट इज़ व्हाट इज मेंट बाय स्टडी इन अ सेफ एनवायरनमेंट. उसके बाद आता है रिसीव प्रॉपर लर्निंग मटीरियल्स. आपको जो भी मटीरियल लगता है, लाइक डेस्क लगेगा, एक बोर्ड लगेगा, चॉक्स, डस्टर, that the teacher will need, and you'll need books, you need backpacks, everything that you need should be provided to you. Then use clean toilets and drinking water. This is a very important aspect. Hygiene maintain करने के लिए you need clean toilets होने चाहिए और clean drinking water भी होना चाहिए. Okay, now the school's part of deal. What duties the school has towards you? We are dealing with the duties of school here. So this is a checklist that the school has to follow. पहला है कि admit eligible students, all the students who are eligible. Now tell me who are eligible. The children from age 6 to age 14 are eligible, right? Class 1 से लेकर class 8 तक. After that comes treat every student equally. There should not be any discrimination between students, right? Every student should be treated equally. Either he is a girl, he is a boy, that does not matter. After that, avoid discrimination. No discrimination of any type depending upon the religion of the child, depending upon the caste of the child, depending upon the gender of the child. No discrimination should happen. After that comes maintain good classrooms and facilities. आपके classrooms clean होने चाहिए, आपके लिए आपके पास desk होने चाहिए, आपके पास अच्छा board होना चाहिए. That is what is meant by good classroom and facilities. Encourage learning in friendly environment. आपके टीचर्स ने आपको अच्छे एनवायरनमेंट में, फ्रेंडली एनवायरनमेंट में पढ़ाना चाहिए. कोई आपको स्कोल्ड नहीं कर सकता, कोई आप पे चिल्ला नहीं सकता. दैट इज द ड्यूटी ऑफ स्कूल. अंडरस्टैंड दिस. आफ्टर दैट, why this mission matters? Why has the government taken this mission under them कि all the children in this country should be educated? So we'll go up by this ladder. First things first, if you are educated, you become confident, right? Confidence comes with education, क्योंकि आपको बहुत सारे facts पता चलते हैं, आपको बहुत सारी information मिलती है जिससे आप confident बनते हो. And after becoming confident, you start thinking wisely. आप वाइजली थिंक करना स्टार्ट करते हैं एवरी चीज को, आप क्वेश्चन करना स्टार्ट करते हैं एवरी चीज को. आफ्टर दैट कम्स, if you're thinking wisely, if you're smart enough, you'll get a better career opportunity, whatever it be. Any better career opportunity will be provided to you. Then after that comes becoming a responsible citizen. If you know many information, if you know everything, you'll be a great citizen to this country and you will benefit it and help your country to grow at a world level. You can be a scientist, you can be a scientist in NASA, you can be a scientist in ISRO, you can be a great doctor, you can be a great engineer, you can be a great lawyer, you can be a great administrator, right? That is what is needed for your country. After that, your personal checklist for this. You also have a checklist as your school did. These are your duties. Duties of students, okay? When you are getting certain rights by the constitution, you also need to follow all the duties regarding it. Duties of students. First is attend school regularly. I know you all love going to school. I'm pretty sure about it. You're a really smart student for that. And respect your teachers and classmates. You need to respect your teachers. When your teacher is teaching you so nicely, when your teacher is giving so much time of theirs to you, you need to respect them, and also your classmates. You're not allowed to bully anyone. You're not allowed to take a ragging of anyone. That is what is meant by respecting classmates. After that, you need to complete your homework also. Okay? That I know, every one of you is a very smart child, you do everything, okay? So I know you must be completing your homework also. After that, keep the school clean. Every classroom in the school has a dustbin. Please sharpen your pencils in that dustbin only. Don't throw kachra here and there. You get me, right? Help friends who need support. If some of your friends are not that good at something, and you are good at it, you should help them, of course. Then if the other friend of yours is good at it, you can take help from them, right? You should have a friendly relationship with all your friends. After that, the playbook recap is there. You can screenshot this. Okay, take a screenshot of this. This is basically what we have learned in whole of the PPT. I'll also provide you with the PPT in your personal WhatsApp groups, but this is a basic summary of it. Every child has the right to education, first thing. Then it covers children from age 6 to 14 years. Then the RTE Act was passed in 2019. I told you this in the first slide itself. After that, education should be free, compulsory and equal. Education should be free for all, compulsory for all and equally provided to everybody. After that, we have a quote here. Please read it. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And who said this? Sir Nelson Mandela. I have a homework for you here. I need you to find out कि कौन से country के president थे Nelson Mandela sir. I need you to put this in the comment section, okay? He said education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, and I need you guys to change the world by getting more education and understanding many things. Thank you all for listening and come back for the next session.